Alright guys, it's Thursday. We're almost to the end of the week, so we got today and tomorrow. So let's keep working hard. A lot of you guys worked really hard yesterday, and I really liked how most of you guys were able to finish your work in class. So today got a few things going on. Before you start this video, you should have watched your digital quick check. You should have did the question of the day that I posted on Teams, and now you should be in the video. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have your notes, your topic, your essential question, and now we'll go over an example. Make sure you update your table of contents as well. I haven't been showing it in the video, but mine's still updated, so that's your responsibility. So if you need to go ahead and pause the video so you can catch up for this point, go ahead and pause. Our example today is we're going to use the friends hiked 5 miles in 2 hours. If they hiked the same distance each hour, how many miles did they hike in 1 hour? So if you need to go ahead and pause right now to copy this down, that's understandable. And then just go ahead and resume the video. Our overall question, the friends hiked 5 miles in 2 hours. If they hiked the same distance each hour, how many miles did they hike in 1 hour? So what am I sharing? If I look at this question, first of all, it's asking me to find out how much did they hike in 1 hour. So I'm going to share the miles between 2 hours. Very similar to how we shared waffles and people. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do miles divided by hours. So I'm going to have 5 divided by 2. And I know that 5 divided by 2 equals 5 over 2. Now I know 5 over 2 is an improper fraction, so I need to turn that into a mixed number. 2 goes into 5 2 times, which is 4. So I'm going to have 2. Remember how we do 2 times 2 is 4. And then minus 4 would leave me with 1/2. So I know that the friends walked 2.5 miles per hour because in 2 hours they walked a total of 5. One way I can check my answer is I could double 2.5. I can add 2.5 plus 2.5, or I could do 2.5 times 2. Whatever you're more comfortable with will give us a reasonableness way to check our answer. But the second thing I need to do is in today's lesson, we're going to talk about showing a quotient, which is the answer of a division problem in decimal and mixed number. So we have 2.5. How do I show that as a decimal? Well, one way I could show that as a decimal is I could rewrite my problem as 5 divided by 2. So I know that 2 goes into 5 2 times, which would give me 4. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 4 gives me 1. Now if I want to find my decimal, I can't leave a remainder. So what do I need to do? I need to add a 0. So I need to put my decimal point and add a 0. When I put my decimal point, I need to remember to put it on top of the bar. So now bring down my 0. I have 10. Does 2 go into 10 evenly? Yes, 2 goes into 10 5 times. So 5 times 2 minus 10 gives me 0. So I know that 5 divided by 2 equals 2 1/2, or 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5. Now, why are my answers equivalent? If anybody can explain to me why my answers are equivalent, can you please leave a comment in the YouTube channel, and then I'll respond to you that way, okay? So the comment I would like you guys to leave in the YouTube channel today is why. Where is it? I'm sorry. Why are my answers equivalent? Why is 2.5 and 2.5 equivalent? And then for guided practice, I would like you guys to do on page 272. One through 6. No, yeah, 1 through 4. And then independent practice. Spelled that wrong. You can be found on page 273. And I would like you guys to do 6 through 4. Actually, we're going to do all of them today. 5 through 14. Oops. Remember, after you finish your guided practice, you need to get your work checked by Miss Russell or I. And then remember, what I would like you guys to leave in the comments is, what is the relationship between the two answers, 2.5 and 2.5. Okay? All right, I look forward to reading the comments. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, like and subscribe. I was told to tell you guys to subscribe every day. So, all right, I'll see you guys in class.